With coronavirus outbreak across the globe, everything around is either shut or postponed and there's no way you can socialize anymore. While it's a great idea to binge-watch all the shows that you added to your watch list, there's actually something more productive that you can follow through during this time. Remaining inside protects you and others from the contagious virus. The thought of what to do every day post-work hours can stir all the craziness. Skincare is often neglected, especially when you have a busy schedule. To make the most of your self-quarantine period, here's how you can ramp up your skincare routine with easy-to-follow tips. 1. Exfoliate your skin. Your skin is exposed to dirt, grime and other environmental hazards. Luckily, during this quarantine season, you can easily get rid of it. Exfoliating your skin is the key here as it helps eliminate dead skin cells, removes blackheads and ensures a healthy blood circulation for your skin. Do a quick DIY with sugar and honey and scrub this solution on your face. Massage it gently on your face and then rinse it off with cold water. Trust us, you'll emerge out of the bathroom feeling much lighter. 2. Pay attention to your lips. Just like your skin, even your lips need hydration. It is quite possible that you might have ignored it during your tight work schedule. But now that you have enough time, keep a high SPF lip balm next to your work desk at home. Petroleum jelly helps in preventing chapping and dryness. So grab it and make good use of it while you are self-quarantining. 3. Apply face mask. There's nothing a face mask cannot do, irrespective of the global plague. This humble mask is an item that should be a part of your stash. For maximum effect when you are home, use it once or twice a week to spruce up your skin's health faster. One of the most effective masks out there is activated charcoal mask that can easily ramp up your skin's appearance and detoxify it as well. Fan of home remedies? Apply a face mask made of coconut oil and aloe vera gel. Whisk these two ingredients together and apply it on your skin. Once it's dry, wash it off and pat dry with a clean towel. 4. Cleanse, tone and moisturize, CTM. CTM is underrated, but it is a routine that's important for men as well. Your skin goes through a lot of damage on a daily basis and dull skin can result in sudden breakouts and many other skin-related issues. Cleansing your face sanitizes your skin. Wash your face with a mild cleanser. The next step is to apply a toner. To do that, you can make good use of rose water as well. For the final step, you can simply use the moisturizer in your arsenal and give your skin that much-needed spa at home. 5. Take care of your eyes. The under-eye area feels exhausted after spending hours staring at the laptop or phone screen. This leads to visible dark circles and puffiness. Now that you have all the time in the world, don't forget to care for your eyes. Thanks to home ingredients like cucumbers and ice cubes, dealing with dark circles is possible at the comfort of your home. Massaging your eyes with grated cucumber and ice cubes is the best way to get rid of the puffiness around your eyes. Try it out.